Here we have awesome Toyota RAV4, in for the StarLine i96 Immobiliser. If a thief manages to get into your car to code a key, watch as they try and start the car. Vehicle is totally immobilized. We will now need to enter a PIN code. Wait for out disarm chirps, and now vehicle will allow us to start and drive. The car is now ready to drive. If for convenience you would prefer to just get in your car and drive, then a Bluetooth tag or phone can be used as authorization. Just start the car with the tag in range. The tag will disarm the immobilizer for you. This is very convenient and easy. Thanks for watching. For more info, call number below.